All right, hi everybody. Hope you're doing well. This video I want to talk about my first Flutter app that I made and I'm still developing. I wanted to talk about why I made the app, showcase how to use it, and ask you guys for some feedback. All right, so first let's start by talking about why I made the app. So I think that when you want to learn something new or learn something, you need to make a project or make something. That's the fastest way to learn the things and actually apply the things that you learn. So that's why I made this app, because I wanted to improve my understanding in the whole process of making an app and software development. So the whole stack, doing server stuff, doing front-end stuff, and including mobile and things like that. So I made this app. So the app has a lot of stuff because I wanted to also integrate it with some machine learning, because it's a thing that I've been learning for a while now. It's the same reason why I made the app. I wanted to improve my understanding in machine learning and data science, and I wanted to apply it to a real world case scenario doing this. So here I use a semantic segmentation model. That means that it segments something in an image using a model, a machine learning model. I here use a model to crop the face of a person. I also use another method that is style transfer to make this cool effect of painting the faces, and also some algorithms that I stumbled across searching in the internet to do also color transfer. And yeah, so the idea came from, I saw this model of segmenting a face, and I remember myself going through an image of a face, a funny face that I made, and cropping it by hand, and then putting it into WhatsApp to message my friend, right? So I thought, why not make an app that does this automatically with this model? And that's why I made this. I think there is already app on the App Store about this, but I think there is still value in making one yourself, because you can put your own spin of the things. For example, here I try to make sort of a style in the face and putting a border, and this is sort of automatic. So yeah. All right, now let's see what the app has. This is coming soon that I need to implement yet, but the app has 6 things. So first of all, a vanilla sticker that crops your face when you give it your selfie. Then a face style sticker that basically puts a style over your sticker. Then we have the paint face that only paints your face with a style that you select. The next one only paints your hair. And then we have two texture ones that, using an algorithm of color transfer the original color to the style image. So here we have the texture sticker that is the color transfer of the face style sticker, and we have the paint face texture that is the version of the color transfer of the paint face. So here you can go to the eye and learn about the makers, and here you have the gallery in the other section. Here are the things that you made. Now the app has a token system that I made. This is because to prevent the user from spamming the server and taking down the server. Although I make it so you have a lot of tokens at the beginning, and when you actually go and put a reward, you get 1,000. So I think it's a pretty good value. You can make like 30 stickers. Like, that's a lot of stickers. So yeah. All right, now let's do an overview of how to make one of these, right? So first of all, you tap into one of the options. You can select to take a selfie for the camera or select photo from the gallery. Since we are in the emulator now, we're going to select one from the gallery. All right, so let's do this one. So here we have in the process section, you selected this one, but you actually can select another one in this section, and the same photo is going to still be there. Now we can go to the edit button and edit the style of this particular maker, and you can see that you have a lot of styles. Let's select this bluish thing that I really like, and you can go to make. It's going to be loading, taking to the server and doing those cool stuff. And we have it. So here is a little bug maybe that we don't really like. So we can actually test another one and see if the next one, a nut. Yeah. All right. Thanks for that. All right, I think that one is a really cool one. So yeah, let's do a couple of more. We could actually select the hair here and select the maybe someone else. Let's do this one. It's going to make the hair a little bit like reddish. So right, as you can see, the hair looks a little bit different. You can go to options here and unselect the save automatically, although I don't know if you want to do that. What else we can do here? Let's select one of these, because normal one, because you have a lot more options here. So you have an option for not doing the border or doing soft edges and selecting the border width. So here we're going to do soft edges, and it doesn't matter this because there is no border. We select this and we do make. And we have the sticker. As you can see, there's no border in the sticker because we selected soft edges. Right, let's test another one that I really like, because this is the kind of sticker that I intended to use the app for myself, right? So here you have a funny face. So what I'm going to do is select, for example, border, make it a little bit bigger and leave it at white and do make. Great, this is exactly what I want. So then I go to here and to the really bottom, because things are here. And here we have the sticker that we made. So we have this sticker that has no border, and this sticker that has the hair change, and two face stickers. And the last one, that is the classic, I call it the classic one, the sticker with a border. All right, so yeah, I hope you like the app. Let me know your thoughts about it. To finalize the video, I wanted to ask you guys for some feedback on the app, the layout. I am thinking of this page to be the front of the app and skipping this phase, right? I also want to know your thoughts about the gallery section and the token system. So yeah, let me know about that. All right, and that's about it. If you have any more questions, comment below, give it a like if you want, and I see you in the next one. Bye.